How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2023 F-150, but this door panel should be the same for about 2021 up to 2024. Pretty simple door panel to take off. We're going to go ahead and start off with our covers. We're going to have one right below the grab handle, and then we're going to have a reflector on the side. The only tools you should need is a size 7 socket, a plastic panel popping tool, and then a pick to go ahead and help you out with the covers. So for the first cover is the grab handle. Usually I just stick the pick in the corner and kind of just work my way around the backside and kind of just pull out. This one I have 2 tabs. So it should be 2 little plastic clips. Second is the reflector on the side of the door. Just kind of put your pick up top and kind of pry it down. This is the reflector on the side of the door. This is the bottom. There's a little flange on the bottom, so when you go to put it back in, you kind of just set it in there and push in. But when taking it out, make sure to go from the top because you're gonna have this little tab up here. So just kind of push the tab down, pull out, and this flange will come right out. Now you're gonna have 5 bolts in the door panel. The 2 behind the grab handle, the 1 behind the reflector, then you're gonna have 2 on the bottom of the door. So we'll go ahead and take those out now. Now that we have all 5 of the bolts out, we can go ahead and take the panel off the door. Usually I start at the bottom of the door panel towards the cab, or closest to the cab, and just kind of pry out. Get your bottom undone. Make your way around the door panel, and then lift up towards the cab. And that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we are on the front door panel, same process, but you're going to have 1 more bolt behind the cover up top. This cover can sometimes be tricky. The top always comes off pretty easily, but there's 2 tabs on the bottom that sometimes can give you a hassle. Just kind of, you know, you might just need a little extra love. Like one of the tabs I can tell just came off. But you're gonna have, you should have 2 of these plastic tabs. The one just fell off on the door panel, which we'll grab out. But sometimes these 2 on the bottom can kind of be tricky to come off. The top 2 always come off pretty easily, but it's just these bottom 2. But you're gonna have 1 bolt behind there. We'll go ahead and get our other covers off. All right, we have all of our covers off. Now we can go ahead and get our bolts out. Grab our 1 behind the reflector, and then the 2 underneath the door panel. Alright, now we have all 6 bolts out, so we can go ahead and pop the door panel off. Once again, just start at the corner. We should find that tab that fell. Actually, it just fell. So this is that tab that just fell. That fell from the top cover. Like I said, sometimes they can give you a hassle. They just clip right back on. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and pop these. Go around your edges. And then lift up and then towards the cab. And voila, so that is how you take off the door panel on the back and the front door on a 2021 to 2024 Ford F-150. Thanks for watching.